Hello Capricorn, welcome to Tarot SS9. We're going to see your messages for the Valentine week from 8 to 14. So we're also going to see the messages from your divine counterpart, which we'll be seeing by the end of the reading. These are here. Alright, so the reading is according to your sun and moon sign. Okay, so your moon sign is according to the Vedic astrology chart. Alright guys, so let's get started. Four of Wands, King of Wands, Six of Wands, lot of fiery sign. Seems like most of you are dealing with a Leo, Sagittarius or an Aries. Okay, let's see what your oracle cards say. Desert passage, surrendering to the journey, fogged in. Okay, I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. I am unapologetic about what I desire, and I trust that what I focus on will grow. This is a stream of love supporting my dreams. When I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disruptive. Okay, guys. What I am getting by the messages here is this is a past person, okay, which you guys have been inspired by a lot. Okay, so you guys look up to this person a lot. This guy is also like a hot tempered person, a person who is a lot visionary type. Okay, so whenever you are with this person, you feel like a family. All right, and you want to reunite with this person. For most of you, this is, yes, a past connection, and you want to take a step forward, you want to take action, and most of you have taken a step forward. Okay, you have taken an action forward, but guys, please go slow, please go slow. Trust the universe, okay, and surrender to the superpowers up above there. All right, because if you see this card, this person is in the desert passage. All right, and if he keeps on moving ahead, I mean, there's no way, also there's no proper guided way. All right, so you really have to trust the divine, you really have to trust the divine, and you have to go slow, you have to go slow. Okay, so if you see this person is holding the stick. Okay, if this person is holding the stick, so that also maybe, I mean, the desert there is not hollow. Okay, so first the stick and then he moves ahead. So please choose your steps very wisely, especially the ones who are with the past connections. Okay? So yes, I mean, I don't want to give any false hope, but trust the divine. Okay, if you want to go forward, just wait for their actions, for things to unfold. All right, rather you taking a step forward, let the answers from the other person come. Okay, because you have positive cards, you have the marriage cards, everything is there. Okay, but the advice is just go slow. All right, let's see what are their messages. Okay, this person also sees you as your soulmate. Okay, and you are also wanting only this person. I think there are other offers also for you guys. There are other offers also, but you only want this person. You never let me feel lonely. Wow. You respect my decisions. Now this person is a very independent person also, and you love this thing about them. Okay, so this was all for you, Capricorn. So if you liked the reading, please hit a like and subscribe on my channel. And if you want some personal readings, please check out the description box below. All the details are there. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.